Good morning, everyone. In this video, we are going to start a new chapter in biology, that is the classification of the living world. So, in this video, we will study about how the living world was classified. This is the introductory video of the chapter classification of the living world. So, let's start the chapter. So, first of all, what is classification? ये एक ऐसा साइंटिफिक मेथड है और ऐसा साइंटिफिक वे है जिससे ऑर्गेनिजम्स क्लासिफाई होते हैं, आइडेंटिफाई होते हैं और उन्हें हम लोग नेम देते हैं, ग्रुप करते हैं. साइंटिफिक वे ऑफ आइडेंटिफाइंग, नेमिंग एंड ग्रुपिंग of living organisms is called classification. It is also called biological classification. Okay, now classification consists of two systems, that is the natural system and the artificial system. So first we will discuss about what is artificial system of classification. Okay, so artificial system of classification was all about the discoveries made by Aristotle. Okay, Aristotle was the first to classify animals, and on the basis of the simple visible characters such as the presence or absence of red blood cells, whether their body is hard or soft covered, and they have wings or legs. So, on the basis of these three only, he classified the animals. Okay, so there were some drawbacks also when he classified the animals. Okay, this is your artificial system of classification done by Aristotle. And one more thing I want to tell you, it is very important to know when you are studying classification of the living world that the branch of biology that deals with the study of classification is called taxonomy. What it is called? Taxonomy. Its spelling is okay, taxonomy, and the scientists who work in this field are called taxonomists. Okay, this is the artificial system of classification. Now comes your natural system of classification that was given by Carlos Linnaeus in 1758. So in 1758, Carlos Linnaeus he proposed two kingdom classification. First was he has given first is plantae, okay, in which he has kept all the plants and all the organisms that can prepare their own food and they cannot move from one place to another. Second was he has given animalia, in which he included all the animals, all the organisms that cannot move from, that cannot prepare their own food and they cannot move from one place to another. Okay, in animalia he kept these. In plantae they can prepare their own food and they cannot move from one place to another. Animalia, they cannot prepare their own food and can move from one place to another. This system is came to be known as two kingdom classification or the modern system of classification. And this Carlos Linnaeus is also called the father of taxonomy. Okay, I hope that it is clear to you all. Now, Carlos Linnaeus has also given different taxonomical ranks. So, the different taxonomical ranks are kingdom, phylum, class, order, family, genus, and species. This is your singular. And in plural, you will say kingdoms, phyla, classes, orders, families, genera, and species. Okay? Here you will say the same. And the largest is your kingdom, the smallest is your species. Okay, I hope that this is clear to you all. Now we will see about the drawbacks of the two kingdom classification. Okay, so let's see the drawbacks. So the first drawbacks was that bacteria और fungi जो थे इनको प्लांट किंगडम में रखा गया था और प्रोटोजोअन्स को एनिमल किंगडम में रखा गया था. लेकिन जब माइक्रोस्कोप अच्छे से बन गया और सेल स्ट्रक्चर अच्छे से हो गई तभी पता चला कि ये ऐसे ऑर्गेनिजम्स हैं जिनके पास ना ही प्लांट के जैसे और ना ही एनिमल के जैसे कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स होते हैं. और फंजाई को प्लांट किंगडम में रखा गया था even though they do not contain chlorophyll and they cannot prepare their own food. ये भी एक ड्रॉबैक था. फिर the first form animals were neither plants nor animals. Okay, and bacteria were kept under the plant kingdom because they have cells. And this system of classification doesn't consist of the viruses because they were not properly known at that time. Okay, so these were some drawbacks of the two kingdom classification which was done by Carlos Linnaeus. Okay, I hope that this is clear to you all. And if anything is not clear, you can tell in the comment section box. Now finally comes the five kingdom classification that was done by R.S. Whittaker in 1969. He has done he has proposed the five kingdom classification. He is R.S. Whittaker, and what the five kingdom classification name was, let's see: Plantae, Animalia, Fungi, Monera and Protista. We will study about all these five kingdom classification in different videos. We study from the simpler to complex one, that is Monera, Protista, Fungi, Plantae and Animalia. So I hope that this introductory video of the chapter classification of the living world is clear to you all. Thank you for watching. Please do like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel.